What if you could sip your way to lower blood sugar and better health without pills or expensive treatments? For seniors living with diabetes, the drinks you choose each day can make all the difference. And today, we're revealing the top two that work like magic for your blood sugar, heart, and energy. Welcome to Everly Health, your trusted space for smart, natural, and senior-friendly solutions to manage diabetes. If you're over 50 and tired of blood sugar spikes, energy crashes, and belly fat that won't go away, this video is for you. In today's episode, we're uncovering the top two best drinks that seniors with diabetes should be sipping regularly. These drinks don't just taste good, they help lower blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and even support your brain and heart health. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cinnamon water, the blood sugar balancer. For seniors living with diabetes, cinnamon water is one of the most underrated yet powerful drinks you can add to your daily routine. It's simple, inexpensive, and backed by science. And the best part, it actually works. By just adding cinnamon sticks or powder to warm water, you create a natural infusion that has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and fight inflammation. Cinnamon contains active compounds like cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols, which act as natural insulin mimickers. These compounds help your cells absorb glucose more effectively, which means less sugar floating around in your bloodstream. That's especially helpful for seniors, whose bodies may not process insulin as efficiently as they used to. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that participants who consumed cinnamon daily experienced significant reductions in fasting blood glucose, LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, all of which are major concerns for people over 50 with type 2 diabetes. And unlike many commercial supplements, cinnamon is easy to incorporate and comes with almost zero side effects when used in moderate amounts. Drinking cinnamon water is also an easy way to stay hydrated, something seniors often forget to prioritize. Dehydration can actually lead to higher blood sugar levels as the concentration of glucose increases in the blood. By drinking cinnamon water regularly, you're not only controlling sugar, you're improving your overall hydration and energy levels throughout the day. Another benefit, weight management. Cinnamon helps curb appetite by slowing gastric emptying, meaning food stays in your stomach longer, making you feel full for longer. That can lead to reduced snacking, fewer cravings, and a natural reduction in calorie intake. For seniors trying to manage belly fat, or keep their weight in check, cinnamon water becomes a smart, supportive habit. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce the chronic inflammation that contributes to insulin resistance and heart disease. Inflammation is often a hidden driver behind many complications of diabetes, from nerve pain to cognitive decline. A warm glass of cinnamon water in the morning can be a soothing way to fight back against these silent threats. Preparing cinnamon water is incredibly easy. Just take 1 to 2 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon or half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder. Steep it in warm or hot water for 10 to 15 minutes and drink it warm or chilled. Make sure to use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia cinnamon, which can be toxic in large amounts due to its high coumarin content. Incorporate it into your morning or evening routine. Many seniors drink it before breakfast or between meals. You can even add a slice of lemon or a few mint leaves for extra flavor and health benefits. It's a powerful way to start your day, control your sugar, and support long-term wellness naturally. Number 2, green tea, the natural metabolism booster. Green tea is often called a super drink for good reason, especially for seniors with diabetes. This ancient beverage is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins, which have been shown to help regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, and support weight management. A simple daily habit of sipping green tea can provide powerful protection for your health. One of the standout catechins in green tea is epigallocatechin galate, EGCG. This compound has been studied for its ability to reduce blood sugar levels after meals, by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system. That means fewer spikes in blood glucose and a steadier supply of energy throughout the day. For seniors, this is key to avoiding the dangerous highs and lows that can lead to fatigue, dizziness, or worse. Beyond blood sugar, green tea supports heart health, which is critical for diabetics over 50. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while also raising HDL, good cholesterol. Since diabetes significantly increases the risk of heart disease and stroke, adding green tea to your daily routine is a smart, natural defense. Another benefit that makes green tea a standout is its role in weight management. Green tea gently increases metabolism and promotes fat burning, especially around the belly area, where visceral fat tends to accumulate in diabetics. Studies have shown that seniors who drink green tea regularly experience greater waistline reductions compared to those who don't. This can make a big difference in managing diabetes and improving overall health. Green tea also provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters that coffee can sometimes cause. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea promotes mental alertness and focus, while also providing a calming effect. This can be especially beneficial for seniors who want to stay sharp without overstimulating their system. What's more, green tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help protect the brain, reducing the risk of cognitive decline that can accompany aging and long-term diabetes. EGCG and other catechins help guard against oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to memory problems and nerve damage in diabetics. To get the full benefits, aim for 2 to 3 cups of brewed green tea daily, ideally unsweetened. Avoid bottled versions that often contain added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you prefer a little flavor, add a slice of lemon or a few fresh mint leaves. And if caffeine is a concern, you can choose decaffeinated green tea. You'll still get many of the same antioxidants and health perks. In short, green tea isn't just a beverage. It's a simple daily ritual that can support your blood sugar, heart, brain, and weight. For seniors with diabetes, it's one of the easiest, most natural ways to sip your way to better health. Smart tip: how to maximize the power of cinnamon water and green tea. It's not just what you drink, it's how and when you drink it that can make all the difference. For seniors with diabetes, timing and consistency are key. Start your morning with a warm glass of cinnamon water on an empty stomach. This helps activate your metabolism and improves insulin sensitivity before your first bite of food, setting a stable tone for your blood sugar all day. Then, about 30-60 minutes after meals, reach for a cup of green tea. This is when your blood sugar tends to rise the most, especially after carbs. The catechins in green tea can help reduce the spike, improve glucose absorption, and support digestion. Just make sure your tea is unsweetened. Adding sugar defeats the entire purpose. If you're sensitive to caffeine, especially in the evening, opt for decaf green tea or move your green tea time to mid-morning or early afternoon. Many seniors find this gentle energy boost helps fight fatigue and brain fog without the crash that often comes with coffee. Meanwhile, cinnamon water is caffeine-free, making it a perfect evening drink to help curb nighttime cravings and keep blood sugar balanced overnight. You can also get creative with how you prepare these drinks. Add lemon juice, ginger, or mint to cinnamon water for added flavor and benefits. For green tea, try squeezing in a bit of fresh lemon. This not only enhances the taste, but also increases the body's ability to absorb antioxidants like EGCG. Make both drinks a daily habit, not just a once-in-a-while trick. Consistency helps your body adapt and fully utilize the benefits. Consider keeping cinnamon sticks in a jar on your kitchen counter as a visual reminder, and store green tea bags somewhere visible and convenient, like next to your mugs or kettle. Lastly, listen to your body. If you notice bloating, sensitivity, or digestive discomfort, try adjusting the strength or frequency. Start slow and build up to what feels good for you. And of course, always consult your doctor if you're taking medications, especially blood thinners or diabetes drugs, as both cinnamon and green tea may amplify their effects. Used wisely, these two drinks can become powerful daily tools in your diabetes toolkit. So there you have it, 2 simple drinks that can make a powerful difference in your life. Whether it's cinnamon water in the morning or green tea after meals, small daily habits like these can help lower blood sugar, shrink belly fat, and protect your heart naturally. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Everly Health, and don't forget to share this video with a friend or loved one who needs it. Your health journey starts with one sip at a time.